What's up? First day of summer. Welcome. First day of summer. We are getting in a beginner full body workout. Something a little different. You know I have a ton of these routines, so if you haven't seen any of them, please, you just can go and click on any of my other videos. I have a big beginner series that I'm doing right now because when I do have my cover model body program come out, it will be intense and you will need to have a base of fitness under your belt to handle these workouts. So thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, my name's Frank. I'm a certified personal trainer, fitness nutrition coach with my three main goals of helping you feel, move, and look better through mobility, nutrition, and training. And in today's workout, we got a really cool combination of things. We're gonna be doing a lot of lunges and some lower body work. We're gonna throw in some push-ups. Okay, we're gonna get some side planks and crunches. So mainly focus on the core, a little bit of lower body. I got one upper body move, and we're gonna get it right into it. So stay hydrated as always, and let's smash today's workout.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Yeah, we gon' live, we gon' fight, off the cliff, take a dive, swing and miss, feel alive, get back up, we gon' thrive, never stop, living life, take it off, take a dip at night, pretty girls, pretty sights, city girls and city lights, here I go, I'm gonna reach for the stars, I'm gonna reach to go far, you already know, I've had a couple of scars, they remind us who we are, take me away, off to a much better place, off to a much better state, take me away, I just need out of this space, I just need out of this place.
Oh yeah, now wouldn't that be nice? And when you need to revive, just take a deep look inside. Now put your hands up high like you ain't coming down. Go on and touch the sky, get your feet off the ground. Now put your hands up high like you ain't coming down. Go on and touch the sky, get your feet off the ground.
Five,
making a stack, then I'm
four,
making a wreck, and I give
three,
it all back to the people
two,
who lack. Got me on
one.
fleek, no, you got me on flack. Start all the beef, then you take it all back. Didn't believe, now you see me on track. Keep up with me, cause I never look back. Used to know me, but I'm not like my past. Reinvent me like you wish that you had, let's go. I just wanna touch the sky, west coast. I just wanna feel alive, I know the way I wanna feel inside, and I go living through the painful nights, but I know I'm coming out the other side, and I know I wouldn't want another life. Oh no, I love who I am inside, and I'ma live today like any day can die, yo.
Oh yeah, now wouldn't that be nice? And when you need to revive, just take a deep look inside. Now put your hands up high like you ain't coming down. Go on and touch the sky, get your feet off the ground. Now put your hands up high like you ain't coming down. Go on and touch the sky, get your feet off the ground. Yeah.
Five, four, three, two, one.
I just wanna live, wanna touch the sky. I just wanna live, wanna feel alive. I just wanna live, wanna touch the sky. I just wanna live, wanna feel alive. Tell me that you love me, tell me it was worth it. All the pain you caused me, I know that we weren't perfect. I feel I have a curse that nothing I
Five,
do works. And
four,
I know that you've been
three,
hurt, but I know
two,
we've had it worse,
one.
yeah. And I don't wanna fake it any more than I have to. Feeling tortured, I grab you, try to snap us both back to when I felt like I had you. It just feels like a bad mood, but you're turning your back soon. I've been stabbed in the back too. So it's over now, it's over now. There's no way we can work it out, can't work it out. Every word that's coming out your mouth is filled with doubt. I don't have time to figure out what that's about. I don't wanna break you down, but I could feel your emotion, and there's nothing to open. I just think that we're broken. I could feel the erosion, like the coast to the ocean. Every day we're approaching just another explosion. To fall asleep, just to fall asleep. I think I'm in too deep. Yeah.
5, 4,
I
3,
just need
2,
to fall
1.
asleep. Put my mind at ease. Don't wanna think, just breathe. Yeah. Every single day becomes another battle. I'm tired due to pain, exhausted from the shackles. I feel you and disdain for the time we unravel. We'll never be the same, call the case, hit the gavel. I never thought it'd end like this with the fight. Not a kiss, nothing's right. Think we missed all the pride that I dished. Cause when I reminisce every night, felt dismissed and I tried to forget all the pain. I can't feel no more. I think you finally closed that door. I think you finally cleaned your drawer. I guess this is the price of war.
5, 4,
And as I sit
3,
and write these
2,
chords,
1.
I still stay up at night, of course, and think about what might restore my heart so I could feel once more. I just need to fall asleep, just to fall asleep. I think I'm in too deep. Yeah. I just need to fall asleep. Put my mind at ease. Don't wanna think, just breathe. Yeah.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do,
4,
I can't seem to
3,
get enough.
2,
You got me feeling
1.
good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway. Love your body, so I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause your frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion. Beyond you like lotion, I'm honest and broken. I flow like the ocean, I feel you were chosen to fix me, I'm broken. My heart that you stolen, hey. Stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave, chemistry feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next to me, and I really don't want you to ever leave. On your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling
5,
numb.
4, 3, 2, 1.
She's rubbing on me, but I'm loving this weather. Cali got heat, but her body's side as ever. Yo, I got what I need, cold beer, nothing better. I'll keep doing me, margaritas in a blender. Her body's so tender, body so slender. Know that I'm a bender, never say never. I'm a go-getter, and I just met her. Baby, there's no pressure, just pleasure, yeah. She got a body like a diamond, it's one of a kind, and 4th of July, yeah. Summertime fine, yeah. Wanna make her mine, yeah. The bikini tan lines, yeah. Shines like a diamond, she 9 out of 9, yeah. I could give a damn what you say, yeah, I'm living my way. Cold beers in a bay, I stay out of the shade. I just live for today, like a kid I'ma play. Let's get lit, let's get laid, let's get big, let's get paid, yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It all started with a feeling. It all started with a feeling. It all started with a feeling.
Living out in Hollywood, yeah, man, I feel good, yeah. So misunderstood, cause we're young and we're crooked. Everybody's hooked, yeah, everybody shook, yeah. Do it by the book, no, we do it like we should, yeah. Young and we're free, ain't nobody stopping me. I'ma drink 2 or 3, maybe more, yeah, we'll see. Cause it's just what I need, alcohol and the beach. Got the sand on my feet, and the girls in the heat, yeah. She's so bubbly, she likes country. Said I like money, now she thinks I'm funny. Baby girl, it's sunny, addicted to your honey. You know I'm always running, so baby, are you coming? And I know that I move quickly. So let's go,
5,
baby,
4,
come with me.
3,
I'll grab a bottle
2,
and a shot of
1.
that whiskey, and we could drink to the sunset.
Hope you enjoyed that 10-minute workout. Now, at the beginning of the video, I did say it's the first day of summer, which today at the shooting of this video is. So you're probably gonna be watching this a little bit later. But anywho, summer's here, so I'm so happy to have you on board. I'm glad you did this workout. Yes, it was focused a little bit more on the legs. We did get 1 upper body exercise, well, kind of 2. We had the Superman rear delt raise, but also we had that push-up with alternating arm reach. And again, when it comes to these 10-minute workouts, I want you to get a lot of ideas, okay? I want you to combine a lot of these different 10-minute workouts, because over time, these are workouts that I'll just do non-stop just to kind of get loose. Usually I'll honestly do these about a minute on and just go right into the next thing, and it's like 10 minutes. And ideally, if you're a beginner, these will be your workouts, okay? But if you're a little bit more intermediate to advanced, these are gonna be your warm-ups. So consider these like 10-minute warm-ups if you've been training for a while. But if you wanna make any of these exercises harder, for example, if you're doing the side plank, get off the knees. If you're doing the push-ups, get off your knees. If you're doing the squats and the lunges, you could still do those. You might use weights, or you might jump into it. Do jump squat, jump lunge, jump squat. And I will be doing some more intermediate to advanced workouts as we go along. So again, thanks for tuning in. My name's Frank. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. Give this video a like, because it really does help me out, helps the channel out a lot, helps push this content out to more people who could benefit from this information. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free, drop them down in the comment section down below, because I will respond to you. We can have a conversation, we can talk, we can go over anything, any kind of questions you might have, okay? And until next time, I will see you in the next workout.